AI is going to replace 100% of all human jobs. Hi, I'm Aditya Pathak, Chief Segment Officer for Mobility at LTTS.
Hi Aditya, how do you see AI redefining the DNA of ER&D and mobility?
So AI is redefining mobility in multiple dimensions. In the future, vehicles are not only going to sense, they are going to adopt, optimize across the entire engineering life cycle.
What's one AI trend that's overhyped and one that is truly worth decoding?
Exaggerated is fully AI, autonomous, everything. Amplified further is the impact and the pervasiveness of AI into every single task that is today done by humans and the ability to boost productivity in all aspects of our life.
What's one myth about AI you would love to peel away once and for all?
AI is going to replace 100% of all human jobs. AI is here to assist human activities, but AI is not going to replace human beings from all the jobs at any point in time.
What's one thing about AI you think even AI has not decoded yet?
The why of why some things need to be done, how humans engage in activities, human engage in pursuits. That's the why of a human existence, and AI is very far away from figuring that out.
If you had to describe LTTS's approach to AI in one word, what would it be and why?
Purposeful, because we do not do AI for theatrics. We do AI for impact that we create on our clients, on our teams, on the society at large, and that is purposeful for LTTS. The future of intelligence is still being decoded, and AI-natomy by LTTS is where it's all happening.